Imagine a motorhome that doesn't negotiate with nature. It overpowers it. A machine engineered not for campsites or paved roads, but for endless deserts, extreme heat, shifting dunes, and isolation where survival matters more than convenience. Introducing the 2026 Scania 6x6 Desert Conqueror Motorhome, a vehicle forged from commercial-grade strength and transformed into a mobile command center of luxury and endurance. This is not a recreational vehicle. This is a fortress on wheels designed to dominate the most unforgiving environments on Earth. From the first moment it appears, the Desert Conqueror feels intimidating. Its towering height, massive width, and uncompromising stance immediately separate it from ordinary motorhomes. The front end is aggressive and industrial, inspired by Scania's heavy-duty expedition trucks. A bold grille, reinforced bumper, and elevated cabin announce one thing clearly. This machine was never meant to be gentle. Every angle is purposeful, every surface built to resist heat, sand, wind, and time itself. The 6x6 configuration is the foundation of its dominance. 6 massive wheels, all driven, all working together, deliver unstoppable traction across soft sand, loose gravel, rocky terrain, and uneven desert floors. Where conventional motorhomes sink, the Desert Conqueror floats forward with controlled force. Power is distributed intelligently, ensuring grip even when the terrain constantly shifts beneath the tires. This is mobility without compromise. At the heart of the 2026 Scania Desert Conqueror lies a true heavy industry powerhouse. A high-output diesel engine designed for commercial endurance, delivering enormous torque at low RPMs. This is not about speed. This is about pulling through resistance, climbing dunes under load, and maintaining performance in extreme heat without strain. The engine feels calm, deliberate, and endlessly capable, like it was built to run forever. Paired with a reinforced transmission system, the motorhome shifts with confidence even under extreme weight. Power delivery is smooth, yet relentless. There's no hesitation, no drama, just consistent force pushing forward. Intelligent drivetrain management continuously adapts to terrain conditions, ensuring optimal performance, whether crawling through deep sand or cruising across vast desert plains. Suspension is engineered for punishment. Heavy-duty components absorb brutal impacts while keeping the cabin stable and controlled. Rocks, ruts, and uneven ground are neutralized beneath its massive frame. Despite its size, the Desert Conqueror feels planted and predictable. The vehicle doesn't bounce or struggle, it advances with authority. Driving this motorhome feels like commanding a machine built for survival missions. Steering is firm and reassuring, giving the driver confidence even in narrow desert paths or technical terrain. Visibility is commanding, with a high seating position that lets you see far ahead, reading the landscape like a map. This is not driving, it's commanding. Then comes the transformation. Step inside, and the harsh exterior world fades away. The interior of the 2026 Scania Desert Conqueror Motorhome is a stark contrast to its brutal exterior. This is luxury designed for extreme environments. Every material is chosen not only for comfort, but for durability. Premium leather, reinforced fabrics, and heat-resistant finishes create an atmosphere of calm control. The living area feels spacious, open, and intelligently designed. Large panoramic windows bring the desert inside while maintaining insulation and protection from heat. Seating is deep, supportive, and built for long stays. This isn't a temporary shelter. It's a home designed to exist where no homes should. The kitchen area is fully equipped for long-term off-grid living. Heavy-duty appliances, secure storage, and rugged countertops allow cooking even in the most remote locations. Everything is fixed, stable, and designed to function while the world outside tries to challenge you. Water systems, filtration, and storage are engineered for independence, not convenience. Sleeping quarters are designed for real recovery. The bed is solid, quiet, and insulated from exterior noise and temperature extremes. Climate control systems maintain comfort regardless of the desert's mood: scorching days, freezing nights, or violent sandstorms. Inside, it remains calm, controlled, and secure. Technology inside the Desert Conqueror feels tactical rather than flashy. Central control panels monitor energy systems, water levels, fuel range, temperature, and vehicle health. Solar integration, battery management, and auxiliary power systems allow extended off-grid operation without reliance on civilization. This motorhome doesn't visit remote places. It stays there. Safety is treated with seriousness. Reinforced cabin structures, advanced braking systems, stability control, and multi-camera monitoring provide awareness in every direction. This is a vehicle designed to protect its occupants, not just in accidents, but in environments where help may never arrive. Storage is massive and purposeful. External compartments carry tools, recovery gear, spare supplies, and expedition equipment. Everything has a place, secured and protected from dust, heat, and impact. This motorhome is prepared for the unexpected, because in the desert, the unexpected is guaranteed. On open desert stretches, the Scania Desert Conqueror feels unstoppable. It doesn't rush, it advances. The horizon moves slowly toward you as the machine consumes distance with calm dominance. There's no sense of fragility, no concern about what lies ahead. The vehicle inspires confidence simply by existing. This motorhome is not built for casual travelers. It's built for explorers, survivalists, and those who see isolation not as danger, but as freedom. People who want to go beyond roads, beyond maps, beyond limits. It reflects a mindset: strong, prepared, and self-reliant. The 2026 Scania 6x6 Desert Conqueror Motorhome redefines what luxury means in extreme conditions. Luxury is not softness. Luxury is reliability when nothing else exists. Comfort when the environment is hostile. Control when nature is unpredictable. This is not a vehicle that adapts to the desert. It owns it. Wherever it stops, it becomes the strongest structure in sight. A moving base, a safe zone, a statement of dominance over distance and terrain. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey into one of the most extreme and powerful motorhomes ever imagined, make sure to subscribe to drivetrain and hit the notification bell, because the machines ahead only get more powerful.